Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is what 25,000 euros a month gets you in Dubai next to the palm tree. This is the palm tree island, the very famous one that's been made so it looks like a palm tree from space. And the beach. Looking into this direction we can see the area of JBR. I'm gonna show it closer later in the video. So this is bedroom number 1. The bathroom is super nice as well. The bathtub and the palm tree island view. You get a shower with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in there. And you have a rain shower, a little small one. And then here, the toilet obviously. Here you have a whole room just dedicated to space for your clothes. And when you open it, there's a light going on for every single one of them. Here again, we have some space for clothes. Another room just for clothes. So you see there's enough space for clothes. Here, the next bedroom, there's a very small one. We call it the Harry Potter room because there's just one small bed. But again, super nice bathroom. Bedroom number 3. So you can see it's a bit of a mess because we already checked out, or we're about to check out actually. We're gonna check out in 5 minutes. That's why I'm rushing through this video a bit. But again, see how nice is this view. Oh, let me quickly check. I think that's the doorbell. So probably have to check out now. Here you see again, super nice bathroom. Okay, I'm actually checking the door now. Hello. Hello. So this is the living room area, super nice. Couches, armchairs. Here we see the dining table, TV and everything. And this is where it's happening. The views, look at that. Oh my god, so nice. And this is the last bedroom, so bedroom number 5. Again, sorry for the mess, we just checked out. But look at that view, oh my god. And here we can see the marina. So this place is really just about views. Here next door we can see the 5. Again, super nice bathroom. And look at those views from the bathroom. And all these windows are mirrored, so no need to worry that people can see in the bathroom. So yeah, that was the real quick room tour for the 25,000 euros a month apartment in Dubai. So this is how people live that can afford it. I think it's really, really nice. Do you think it's worth the money? Let me know in the comments. Bye.